students, in the previous class we have done many problems on large numbers. We have learned Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Yes or no? These are not only the systems we have available. There is another system of numeration also we have available. Do you know about that? That is Roman system. What is that? Roman system. Okay. Where do we use Roman system? Once all of you think. In our timetable and to represent the class. In the classes, we at the timetable. Think, all of you think. Look here. Class 6, 6th class. What is this? This is a Roman number. Okay. And next, in a fancy clocks. Have you observed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have you ever seen this type of fancy clocks? Yes or no? Okay. And once all of you think, in our daily life, where we are using this Roman system? Okay? In social. First World War. Second World War. You have learned about this, yes or no? And in telling the sporting system, we are using the Roman system. So, from so far, we are using the Roman system and still it is continuing. Okay? In Roman system, we are using 7 symbols. How many symbols we are using in the Roman system? We are using 7 symbols in the Roman system. And children, there is no zero in the Roman system. All of you note down. There is no zero in the Roman system. Okay? In the Hindu-Arabic system, we maintain place values. But here in the Roman system, there is no place value. Okay? Next, come about the symbols of the Roman system. What are the symbols of Roman system? I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. Look children, I, B, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 symbols that are using as numeration in the Roman system. Okay? And in the Hindu-Arabic system, that is in our Indian system of numeration, what are these symbols represent is I stands for 1, V, 5, X, 10, L, 50, C, 100, D, 500, M, 1000. Okay? Once again, I, V, X, L, C, D, M are the 7 symbols that are using as numeration in our Roman system, and they are stands for 1, I for 1, V, 5, X, 10, L, 50, C, 100, D, 500, M, 1000. Okay? To represent a number, only these symbols they used. Okay? Still it is continuing. Okay, next, come about, there are some rules to represent a number these symbols we have some rules. Okay, now I will tell about that rules. Rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. If a symbol is repeated, if here any symbol is repeated, it is added as many times. Look here, I. If there is another I represents what? I represents 1. Yes or no? If it is repeated, look here, once again it is repeated, so its value is added. Repeated means addition. Repeated means addition. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. What is this? 2. X means 10. If it is repeated, its value is added as many times. Means second time it is added. 10 plus 10. What is 10 plus 10? 20. X. This means 20. Look here. 1 I is repeated into 3 times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. So it is 3. X. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 30. Look here, children. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. How many times it is occurs means in the times we have to add that number. Okay, and we will get the number. Okay, but we have to repeat this up to only 3 times. Okay, we have to repeat this symbol up to 3 times only. And look here, V L D are never repeated. All of you note down, V L D are never repeated. Okay. Rule 2. What is rule 2? A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. But the symbols V, L, D are never repeated. Note down, all of you. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbols V, L, D are never repeated. Look, children, what is the rule number 3? If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. What is this? If a symbol of smaller value, let us take an example. A symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value. Take this 5V. V represents 5. And comparing IV, what is the smaller one? I is the smaller one. When it is in the right side of this greater number, greater symbol, right side of this greater symbol, it should be added. This is the greater symbol and this is the smaller symbol. Yes or no? If it is added to the right side of this symbol, it should be added. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means 6. Another example. Take this. Comparing I, X. What is the bigger one? X. X represents 10. And I. I means 1. Next. Repeated I. 10. It is the smaller symbol. Smaller symbol is written after right side of the greater symbol. So, it should be added. Okay. 10 plus 1 plus 1. What is this? 12. Next. L. L. X. B. L. X. B. L represents 50. X plus X is smaller one, yes or no? 10 plus B represents 5. These 7 symbols we have to keep in our mind. 50 plus 10 plus 5. How much? 65. If a smaller symbol is written in the right side of the greater symbol, it should be added. Okay, this is the third rule. Next, rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value gets subtracted from the value of greater symbol. Okay, if the smaller value is left of the greater value, look, take this I. If I is in the left of the B, it should be subtracted. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 subtracted. It is the smaller one is in the left side of the greater one. So it should be subtracted. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Next, take another example. What is that? Look here. L. The X is written where? Left side of the L. So, L means 50 minus X means 10. What is this? 40. Okay. Next. C. X. X is written where we have written is in the left side of the greater one. Okay. C means 100. X means minus 10. What is this value? This is 90. Okay. Like that we have to write this one. Okay. Next rule number 5. The symbols B, L, D are not written to the left of the symbol of greater value. The symbols B, L, D are never written to the left of the symbol greater value. Means, look here, X. We never write this to the left of this greater value. Why? Because look here, what is this? 10. When we write the smaller symbol to the left side, we have to subtract it. Yes or no? minus 5. What is this? 5. Already we have 5. The symbol V. Yes or no? So, is it necessary? We should not write like this. Look here. L, C. 100 minus 50. 100 minus 50. 50. But already 50 symbol. L. Okay. So, this is also not correct. So, the symbols V, L, D means 5, 50, 500 are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. What are the greater value? V, L, D are never subtracted. Okay? Look children. Look. I can be subtracted from V and X. Okay? I can be subtracted from V and X. And X can be subtracted from L and also from C. C can be subtracted from D and also from M. I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. C can be subtracted from D and M. But V, L, D are never subtracted. Okay? Understand? Next, one of the most important rule. When a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is always subtracted from the greater numeral immediately following. Look children, if a smaller numeral, take I, is placed between two numerals of greater value, look, X, I, V. Look here, comparing these two are greater than I. Yes or no? What is the rule is telling? This one. It is always subtracted from the greater numeral immediately following. What is the immediately following to I, V? Okay. Look. X represents 10. And next. V means 5. It is subtracted from V. This is the smaller one and this is these two are greater one. And this is subtracted immediately following one. 10 plus 5 minus 1. 10 plus 4. This is 14. What is this? 14. Look. X. X. I. X. X represents 10 plus 10 plus I, X. Between two greater symbols, it should be subtracted from immediate greater one. Immediate greater one, that is following it. 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10, 20. Plus 10 minus 1, 9. 29. Okay? Like that, you have to write this. Okay, na? Children, let us do some problems based on the Roman numerals. Okay? First one, 77. 77. We have to write this 77 like this. 70 plus 7. Look here, 70 means 50 plus 20. Yes or no? 50 plus 20, 70. Next is 7. 50, what is the symbol for 50? L. 20 means X and repeat a X. Next, 7. 7 means V after I. V 5 I. L 50. X 10. X 10. Next V 5 I 1. I 1. L X X V I. This represents 77. Okay. Next one 36. 36. How should we have to write this 36? 30 plus 6. 30 means X. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Next, 6 means V after I. V I. X. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. X V I. 36. Okay, note down. Next one. 92. 92. How should we have to write this 92? 90 plus 2. 90. How it can be right? 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. 90. We have the rules. All of you read that rules and you can write these numerals very easy. 90. 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 means, where should we have to write X symbol? We have to write before C. In the left side of the C. Look here. If it is, the X is written before the, means left side of the greater one, it should be subtracted. Yes or no? X, C. Next, 2 means I. It should be added. X, C, I. Okay? X, C, I. Next one. 48. 48 means 40 plus 8. 40 plus 8. 40. 50 minus 10 plus 8. What is the symbol for 50? L. And 50 minus 10 means, where should we have to write the X? It should be right before the L, left side of the L. X, L means 40. Next, 8. It should be added. So we have to write in the right side of the this L. Okay. V represents 5. I. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. X, L means 40. Next, V, 1, I. 8. This is for 48. Okay. Next, 110. 110. Look children. 100 plus 10. It is very easy. Plus means, where should we have to write the X? 100 means C. X should be placed right side of the C. CX. 110. Okay. Next, 99. Some of you write this one like this. C represents what? 100. 100 minus 1. IC represents 99. Is it correct? It is placed, if it is placed before left side of the I, this is subtracted 1. That like your mistake, but this is wrong. This is wrong. Look, we have the rules. Yes or no? Based on that rules. 99. 100 minus 10, 90 plus 9. Okay? 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 means C and X should be placed in the left side of the X. Now, left side of the C. And 9 represents X and left side of X. This represents 99. XC 90. IX 9. 90 plus 9, 99. Like that we have to write this. Okay, not IC. Okay, we have to write 99 like this. Okay. Next one, write in Hindu-Arabic system. First one, L, X, X, V, I. L represents 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus V stands for 5 plus 1. 50, 10, 5, 1. 60, 70, 75 plus 1, 76. What is this? 76. If this I is before V, what will happen? 5 should be subtracted. Then it will becomes 5 minus 1, 4, 74. Okay. But here it is in right side of the V. So we have to add this one. 76. Okay. Next one. X, C, V, I. Okay. X, C. This is greater one comparing to X. Yes or no? So 100 minus X means 10 plus V means 5 plus 1 plus 1. 100 minus 10, 90 plus 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. What is this? 97. Okay. Next one. C, X, X, I, V. C represents 100. The right side of. So we have to add 10 plus 10 plus 10. Next, look carefully. I is in the left side of V. So 5 minus 1. The 1 is subtracted from 5. 100 plus 10. 110. 120 plus 5 minus 1. 4. 120 plus 5 minus 1. 4. 124. Like that you have to practice more numbers. Okay na? Children, today we have briefly learned about Roman system. Okay? Now note down these problems. Your assignment, write the following in Roman system. First one is 19, 66, 88, 39, 47. These numbers you have to write in Roman system. And the second one, Look here, I have used here the Roman numerals. Next, write the following in Hindu Arabic system. First one, X, C, V. Second one, X, L, V, I. Third one, L, X, 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 I, I. Fourth one, X, L, I. Okay? And next, third one, seventh table up to 20 steps. You have to write top to bottom and from bottom to top also. Okay? Complete this assignment. Okay children, in the next class we will learn another new topic. Okay? Bye.